Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a ratchet dress, a front ratchet dress. So what I did, I have cut my pencil dress. The reason why it's a pencil dress, it is because this material is stretchy. And if you're not using a stretch material, you need to cut it straight, because if you cut it pencil, you're not going to be able to walk, because it's going to be tight on your knees. So the length that I'm looking for 45 inches length. That's my client's length. It's 45. But if you can check, I have extended the measurement up to until 57. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark where I'm going to put the elastic. I'm just going to put it in the middle. So I will mark till to the end. Then I'm going to insert the elastic. It's gonna shrink and come. It's gonna ratchet it. So the reason why I have to put the elastic first before I connect the dress, it is because it might not be easy to put the elastic once you connect the dress. So I'm going to put the elastic, then I will finish closing my dress.